In this video, I'll be showing persons how to get the percentage mark for students automatically in their gradebooks. So in this case, I'll be looking at the grades for my Form 3s, and obviously I have to click the grades tab here. Alright, now I'm going to go to the show icon here, click the down arrow, and I'm going to ensure that average of grades and sum of points is ticked off. Alright, the average of the grades is the sum of the points over the total points multiplied by 100. So here we can see I have two quizzes, both 15 points and 20 points respectively. The total that this particular student got is 15 points. So we see right here it is 10 plus 5, which will give you 15. Now we find the percentage of this 15. So we take this 15 and we put it over the total. 15 plus 20, that's 35, and then we multiply it by 100 and we'll get the percentage, which is 42.9%. Now this percentage would be used on our Termmarks site, okay, because we are entering the Termmarks is apparently accepting marks out of 100. So we cannot give the student 15 out of 100 because that will be incorrect. So we have to give them it out of 100, which is the percentage. In this case, for this particular student, it will be 42.9%. Now I want to draw something to your attention. For example, where I have this student here, Nathaniel Kado, these marks were automatically entered from my results, from the student's results. Alright, this particular student only did one quiz. This is the quiz here, AutoCAD quiz 1, which was out of 15. Now he did not attempt the other quiz, which is AutoCAD quiz 2, so it is blank. In this case, what Edupage will do is only recognize one quiz for this particular student. So this AutoCAD is going to say 9 over 15 multiplied by 100, which will give you this percent here, which is 60%. Now we know this is incorrect because AutoCAD did not take into consideration AutoCAD quiz 2. So this is supposed to be 9 plus 0 over 15 plus 20, which is 35. So it's going to be 9 over 35 multiplied by 100%. Now in order for AutoCAD to understand this, we need to go in and manually enter a 0 so that we will tell the AutoCAD that this student got no marks in that particular quiz. Now what you're going to see happen is when we save this change, you would see this 60% change. Let's save. Right. Now the percentage went down because it wasn't, the total was not 15, it's actually 35. So 9 over 35 multiplied by 100, and that will give us the correct percentage. So what I can do now is go through manually, and wherever I see a student who did not complete a quiz, I would enter 0. Alright, now we can do it in a batch, we can save in batch, so it's very easy. Alright, so I'm just entering zeros for all the students that did not attempt a particular quiz. Okay, now let me scroll back up and make sure. Nice, I think that is it. One more thing, notice for this particular student, Israela Blackman, she did not attempt any of the quizzes, so I just left it blank because I know her average or her percentage would be 0. So no headache in entering zeros for there, because even if I enter the zeros, it's still going to show up as 0%. Now the changes will not take place for all the zeros that I enter unless I save. So I need to save in order for those changes to be made. Great. Also, if you look to the side here, you would see I have a computed grade. Edupage also does this. Now, you may or you may not need this information, but it's nice to know that we have that option as well. So this is the end of this video, and it's mainly about calculating the average score or the percentage so that we could enter that particular percentage on the Termmark.